Welcome to the latest edition of news at NWU, your window to what's making headlines at our Northwest University. Across South Africa, frustration with local government is no longer abstract. It is lived daily as communities grapple with service failures and a growing loss of trust in the systems meant to serve them. Against this backdrop, the Faculty of Humanities hosted a critical engagement on the 13th of April 2026, bringing together policymakers, academics and students to reflect on the future of local governance. The discussion formed part of national consultations on the review of the White Paper on Local Government, widely seen as an opportunity to reset the system and rebuild public confidence. The university has taken a major step forward with the appointment of Prof. Binu Luke as the inaugural Chief Director of the Desmond Tutu School of Medicine, effective from the 1st of April 2026. The new medical school, set to welcome its first students in 2028, will play a key role in strengthening South Africa's healthcare workforce and national health system. Prof. Luke takes the helm at a pivotal moment, bringing a values-driven vision inspired by Archbishop Desmond Tutu, with a focus on producing compassionate, fit-for-purpose doctors equipped to serve diverse communities. Chartered accountancy students from the NWU have delivered an outstanding performance in the January 2026 initial assessment of competence, achieving a 97% pass rate compared to the national average of 65%. The results, released by the South African Institute of Chartered Accountants, also known as SAICA, and the Namibian Institute of Chartered Accountants, or ICAN, also saw 100% of NWU's ICAN candidates pass. In addition, 95% of NWU's African Coloured and Indian ACI SAICA candidates were successful. In total, 122 NWU candidates passed the SAICA and ICAN exams. What an amazing achievement! The NWU Eagles fell short 31-3 in the Varsity Cup final, but their remarkable 2026 campaign has filled the entire university with pride. In defeat, the team showed heart, unity and resilience, proving that they are not just contenders, but a force that carries the hope of the NWU with distinction. Thank you for joining us for this edition of news at NWU. Join us again next time as we continue to reflect on the impact and ambition of our Northwest University. It all starts here.